Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the popular mobile game Fishdom on your iPhone. So let's get started without further ado. First, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then open your app store. Go to the search box and type in Fishdom. Search for the application and in the search result, look for the Fishdom application from PlayRig. Now, as soon as you see this interface, tap on the Get button. Now, you'll be able to see your application downloading. Fishdom is known for its relaxing and visually appealing gameplay. While the game is free to play, it offers in-app purchases for virtual currency and power-ups. Fishdom can also be played offline, which means you can enjoy the game without an internet connection. However, some features such as social interactions and event participations may require an internet connection. Wait until the application downloads and installs on your iPhone. Once it does, you can start playing the game right from your iPhone. That is how you can easily download Fishdom mobile application on your iPhone with a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.